Alright, language explorers, so let's look at this week's Sunday preposition, despite. Despite, yeah. Without being affected by something. In spite of something, yeah. Despite he knew the answer, they never listened to him. Despite that he could speak Spanish, she ignored him. So even though something, despite something else. Yeah. So, despite he was alone, they never invited him to parties. Despite he was quite popular, he always felt lonely. Yeah. Yeah. So even though he was popular, despite that, he was lonely. She always knew what to do, despite not knowing everything. Yeah. How cool is that? He wanted to go there despite the bad weather. The bad weather. But he still went there. It worked despite the strange repairs. I will record the videos. Despite how many I need to record. Despite how many. Despite how many ideas I have got, I will record them all. All of them. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I went there despite the bad weather. I will go there despite the bad weather. Yeah. Very much so. They will talk with them despite the change of plans. Yeah. We need to think about what to do despite we already have some plans. Yeah. He spoke with her despite the difficulties. There were issues, there were problems, but despite that, they still spoke together. They worked together despite the language differences. Even though they couldn't understand each other perfectly, despite that, they worked together still. He should go there despite the interruption. Even though there is a storm, despite that, he should still go. Yeah. Despite the storm, he should still go there. Yes. Despite the storm, he should still go there. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Despite the challenge, I will keep learning Spanish. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use despite in a sentence? Yeah. Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.